time. All right, guys, nice. Let's go to the ring. Sure. All right. So this is the scorecard for next week. So imagine a running meter. So you have something like this where it's digital, but it's one on each side for each participant. Everybody gets a scoreboard. So every time you start the match, you automatically are getting points. But now, when you do a move, your points will go up. You get a certain amount of points for the move, and then if it's a power hold, like a clinch or a submission or any position, the longer you hold, the more points you get. At 30 seconds, you get a warning. At 45 seconds, you get a restart if you hold it for that long, just to keep the action moving. But you can transition and your points get multiplied. That's called the points multiplier. Okay, now, on the inside of this, we have the scorecard, where the scorekeeper will have 2 pens, one for each participant. And then he's making marks or numbers or lines, whatever they want to do. It's an art form. They do whatever they want to do to fill in these lines, and there's 5 lines, 1 for each minute. And then there's 2 spaces up here, 1 for each participant. And then for our event, we're just going to give somebody a score from 0 to 100. 100 would be like if all of these bars were just filled up with action, like the perfect match, you know? And it could be anywhere from 0 to 100. Now, when you have a 4-man tournament, everybody faces each other like we're going to do today. I'm going to go with everybody first, just because if you haven't done it before, MMA sparring, I want to be the first one to do it with you. But next week, it will be like you two will face each other, and then we'll face each other, and then we'll face each other, and then you'll face each other, and then so everybody gets a match with everybody else. And your points will get added up, so if you have 4 people, you have 3 matches each. And then so you get your 3 matches points added together to get your high score, and then whoever gets the high score will get a prize. Okay, so it's sparring. Nobody's winning over the other person. However, we are going to have somebody who gets the high score. All right. So just keep that in mind. When you put your moves together, you get multipliers. So for example, if you do a jab cross, now every move could be up to 100 million points just for the move. But if you do a jab cross, you get 100 million for each punch, but then they get multiplied together. So it's 100 million plus 100 million, that's 200 million, but that's 2 punches, so that's times 2, that's 400 million for two punches. Now maybe they're not 100 million if they were sloppy, they wouldn't be high score, maximum score, but you get the idea, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do now is let me have Cool Deep hold this, and just hold it down here, by that part. And I'm going to go on all 3 of you, and then we'll stop the timer and stop the camera, and then we'll continue for another 5 minutes. We're just going to warm up with our partners. But Faye, can you face me for a second? And I'm going to do a combo on you. I'm going to do a takedown, and then I'm going to end up in a position. And then I'm going to stop. Let you? Yeah, you can do defense if you want. But we're not sparring yet. This is more of a drill. So you face. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember this, you get this. Matt, let me go with you. Alright, take that. Okay, next. We're gonna spar, stay tuned.